TS ICET has announced the TS ICET result 2021 on September 23 in online mode. Around 56,962 candidates appeared for TS ICET 2021 that was conducted on August 19 and 20 in computer-based mode. Candidates can check TS ICET result on the following websites: TS ICET official website icet.tsche.ac.in, manabadi.co.in. Candidates are required to enter their TS ICET 2021 application number, hall ticket number, and date of birth to check the result. TS ICET results have been announced in the form of a rank card that mentions the overall score, section-wise score, qualifying status, and the rank obtained by the candidate. Along with the TS ICET result, TSHE will also release the final TS ICET answer key, prepared after considering the objections raised against it. Also, the state-wise TS ICET rank list is out. The rank list has been uploaded on the official website in the form of a PDF and has the name, state-wise rank, and all India rank of the candidates. Here is the top 5 toppers list. Now, let us check some of the top colleges accepting TS ICET score along with the past cutoffs. TS ICET result 2021 top MBA colleges and their cutoff. Candidates qualifying TS ICET 2021 and meeting the cutoff will be called for counselling. TSCHE will soon be announcing the TS ICET counselling schedule. Get the direct link to check the result in the description box. We hope this video was helpful. Like and share this video. Subscribe to Careers 360 channel for quick updates on exams and such informative videos.